Hi guys, here are another video. So let's go. So I'm going to be showing you because I have some dupes and I have been exchanging them or trading them. So I'm going to be showing you guys the ones that I got. So this is a pocket I made, and I made like a sleeve for the knit that I exchanged. So here as you can see, I'm going to take out the stickers. So here as you can see, I trade Arturito Vidal, Zambrano, and Campaña. So now let's go to the awesome part, the packet. So I'm going to be starting with this pack, hoping for a Mexican again. Oh no, we get a Ziti. Nice, really nice. Santiago. We get Ecuador team. We get Ener Valencia in action. We get Miller Bolaños and Marcos Rojo in action. So let's go to the last pack. So hoping for a shiny. Mexico. This will be Eric El Cubo Torres. Nice Photoshop, Panini. Oh, very shit Photoshop. Falcao, Will I Am, David Ospina, and Vanguera. So please like, subscribe, and goodbye.